Hello and welcome to this episode of how to use GitKraken Studio 2.0 edition. This is episode 3, how to clone a repository. So the first step is to open up GitKraken. Now, once you have opened up GitKraken, you can either go to the repository management or open up a new tab and then look for the clone a repo button. Once you click this button, a window should open. This is your clone window. Now, we're going to use the github.com method as it's simpler. Select github.com. Now, where to clone to? This is the target destination. You can select your documents and it will automatically create a folder in your documents to put all the files in, so you do not need to make a folder for this. Once you're ready, search for the repo for the studio. In this example, I have made one called example unity. Somewhere Discord should be the name of the repository we are using. Select the repository and you can see the full path is here. So you can see it will create a folder here. Now, if you want to rename it for something else, you will change it here. So let's say you have an extern USB, you can do extern USB. Ideally no spaces, but you can name it whatever you want, and it will rename the folder it'll create for you. Or you can just rename the folder later, but if you rename the folder manually, GitKraken will lose its reference, so you'll have to relink it again. Once you're ready, click clone the repo and you're set, and then just click open now to open it.